Hello friends, Ansh this side. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you Origami Butterfly. Let's start. For making this model, I'll be using a 6-inch origami sheet. We need white side on the top. First we need to make a diagonal. Unfold it. From the other side also. Unfold it. Flip the page. We need to divide the page into half. Unfold it. Rotate it. Do the same on this side. Unfold it. Flip the page. Use your index finger and just push it in between. Hold these two edges and push it inside. And push it inside from the top also. Sharpen the crease. So you will see something like this. Okay, so there are 4 flaps. So you need 2 on each side, 2 on right side, 2 on left side. You can see 2 flaps on the top. Take any one. Fold it like this. You need to leave 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeter gap over here from this point to this point. Do the same on the other side. Flip the model. Rotate it. And now we need to make a triangle over here. So you can see this flap. So we need to fold it up. But wait, listen to it first. You can see this point and this point. So if we'll fold it like this, our butterfly would be something like this only. Okay, so it would be flattened from here, these 2 points. And if we'll just extend it a little bit from this side and from this side a little bit here, so it would be something like this. So it would give it a 3D texture. So this is not wrong, but it is better. So we'll just extend it. You can see a curve over here. Don't pinch it like this. Let it be like this only. Flip the model. So you can see a triangle over here. Okay. You need to fold this. Now we need to fold this butterfly into half. So it would be something like this. Just like this. Now fold it in half. So here you can see, so we need to make wings, no? So you can see this point where all the lines are intersecting. And this corner, okay? Fold this. Do the same on the other side. Now our butterfly is completed. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.